Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions of many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Algorand and doing an update from where we left off in the previous Algorand video. Now, currently, Algorand is still attempting to try to break out of this wedge that it's within right now. As you can see, there's been a lot of consolidation within this, and we really haven't seen much go on as far as breaking out of this wedge yet. Now, there's multiple reasons why we're seeing this, and one of the big reasons is actually having to do with its 200-day moving average, which is right there creating a huge area of resistance for Algorand to be able to pump through. So if Algorand was to pump above this price here that's around 45 cents, if it was able to actually pump and get over that and find support above that, then there's a great possibility that we could be seeing some much larger price movements with Algorand. Now, we're also currently above that bull market support band. We've been here for a few days now, and it's been a long time since we've seen Algorand above this bull market support band. We haven't seen this since back in January of 2022, and that was when it had fallen out of this, and now we're seeing it currently above it. This is all very bullish stuff that's currently going on, and there's multiple catalysts for Algorand that are really benefiting the price right now. So a lot of opportunities that are currently opening up, and Algorand has really good potential to really see this price go up and really start to retrace a lot from where it was back at its highs. As you can see here, Algorand had come down from these 5 waves. It's very similar like what we had seen with Cardano, how Cardano had quickly gone up and had topped out at a price that was around $3. We saw the same thing with Algorand, how it had topped out at a price. It was a little bit under $3 and it came down within these 5 waves. It came down pretty quickly from where it was. And now it's just really been working on a correction, trying to just correct out of where it was at that time. So this currently, all that I have here, I'm just really considering all this being more so of of sub waves or an ABC correction. Don't really take too much of what I have here as far as waves being 100% locked in here. I just really think that we got to break away from this trend first and see Algorand start making some moves to the upside before we officially start counting waves. Because if we were going to actually start counting impulses, then we would have to expect that we would be able to see these larger impulses taking Algorand up much higher than where it currently is. So I'm thinking that this could all just possibly be part of the first wave, very similar to retracing from where we're at within this wave 4 to where this wave 5 had come down is what I'm thinking. So just trying to get back to that wave 4 price that it had to the down when it was coming down to the downside back in April of this year. So right now there's a few different catalysts that are really helping out Algorand. Actually, there's many different catalysts, I should actually say. One of those being the total value locked. There's huge things going on with DeFi with Algorand that's really benefiting the price. Where you can see currently the TVL for Algorand is around $213 million. So a huge increase in a TVL that has been going on with Algorand. Now, a large portion of all of this is AlgoFi dominance. So AlgoFi currently makes up a large portion of the total value locked, about $125 million. So that's very significant, but that's one of the reasons why we're starting to see more of a price pump with Algorand is due to the fact that the TVL has been increasing so much. So this is really good news right here. Now, also we're talking about is some of these other catalysts that we also have with Algorand. Multiple things that are really benefiting the price right now. One of the things being that the Philippines fintech company A-Tech is creating a mobile banking wallet solution that uses the Algorand blockchain for transactions. And also El Salvador, the country that made headlines last year when it became the first to make Bitcoin legal tender, has also declared Algorand as its official blockchain partner. More recently, in a new July report, Italy's central bank also revealed plans to leverage the Algorand blockchain for a possible central bank digital currency. So Algorand has multiple things currently going on in his favor right now. Now, looking at the current price movements here with Algorand in the short term, and where I'm hoping that we're going to be seeing the price of Algorand going, looking at how when it did manage to pump to that 20, 50, and that 100-day moving average and work its way within this bull market support band, which was the bear market resistance band when it was on the other side of this. Now that it is on the other side of this, it is a confirmed bull market support band. Hopefully, it can maintain itself above this bull market support band. If it is to pump through this trend line and also that 200-day moving average, I would expect that we would be seeing a really decent sized candlestick as it does manage to do it. We could be seeing this go to somewhere around the price of 50 to 55 cents, I'm hoping. And that's just basically taking a look at how when we did manage to pump through the 100-day moving average, which was at a price that was around 34 cents. After we pumped through that, we were quickly able to go up to a price that was to 45 cents. Even though we found a lot of resistance there, we managed to pump to that 45-cent price and not overtake it. So I'm hoping that we do see the same similar type of situation after we pass through the 200-day moving average, maybe a price pump of 10 cents after it manages to do that. But just for simplicity, maybe 50 cents, I would even be happy with that. Just anything really above that 200-day moving average and able to find support above that, that would be very beneficial for Algorand. But I'm hoping that within all these different price movements that we end up seeing Algorand here within the short term, say possibly by the end of this year, going up to $1 is what I'm hoping for. And that would be that retracement from where it needs to go to retrace where it was within that wave 4 that it had come down back after it had completed the first quarter of 2022. So a lot of bullish expectations here with Algorand. I know I'm very bullish on it, but this is a new cryptocurrency that I just started to accumulate, and I'm very fascinated with everything I'm learning about it. So if you guys want to continue learning more about Algorand and many other cryptocurrencies, I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day and many other altcoins as well. And Algorand is one that had just recently been added to the queue. So I am keeping you guys updated on this. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you in the next one.